Woo! All right.
Hi everybody. Here's our next video on origami. So I'm going to teach Mr. McWilliams how to make a fortune teller. So you need one piece of thin paper, copy paper. You can use colored paper like us or white paper. It doesn't matter. And the first thing you're going to do is make it into a square. So to do that, you take one of the corners and bend it over to the side and line it up against the edge.
So see how that makes kind of a triangle? And you can open it up. That's how you get a square. Because now this, if you cut this part off here, it'll be square.
Like I'm doing.
I'm going to do a different method. I'm going to fold mine to do it, in case you don't have scissors.
Okay, so now what you do is you fold it in half, corner to corner, so it makes another triangle. Is this a nice isosceles triangle?
There's a reason why I teach art and not math. Well, there's lots of reasons. Or English, or writing, or yeah, any real subject.
You can lick it first and it'll tear it easier.
Ew. Girls have cooties.
And then you unfold it
Oh, that's a fail.
so that
Use the scissors. I didn't fold it out.
you unfold it so that you have, it looks like a kite, kind of.
You know, it's funny, the project I'm going to show you how to do, you start off the same way. Good.
Okay, so now you fold all four corners into the center right here. And it doesn't matter which side you start on.
Wait, this is a fortune teller. Oh! This is what, when I was a kid, the girls would have on the playground, and they would have numbers and stuff, and they could tell you your future.
Boys like them too.
I know, but like, they didn't tell us how to make them
Yes,
back when I was a kid.
it's still something that is mysterious and only certain people know how to make them. And other people want
I totally don't know how to make this.
to
Okay.
make this. Okay, so we did that. It looks kind of like a weird envelope. And now you turn it over so to the side, and it's another kite. And you fold the corners towards that center point,
Oh, okay.
so that it looks like this with a line in the middle. And you do all four.
Are we gonna do 2 videos of these? Like one overhead, so you see it
Yes.
folding? Okay. Yeah, so if you're having a hard time following along, there'll be another video attachment. It'll just show our hands folding things.
Now it looks like this on one side and this on the other side, okay? What we're gonna do is, this is where our fingers go in on the side with just the one flap. The other side is going to kind of cave in a little bit. So we're gonna smush it all together and stick our fingers in the other side. And this is the tricky part that students often have a really hard time with. So you just kind of start with 1 or 2 and then keep going until you have all 4 corners up. Like that.
Oh. It wasn't working, it wasn't working. Oh, it's not working. Oh my God.
And then you can put different things in here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, or red, yellow, blue, green.
Yeah, but you gotta put things in there like,
That's the last
you're
layer.
gonna get a package in the mail from Grandma.
The last layer says you write a fortune. So it can be something like, you will get a chocolate bunny for Easter, or you will catch a fish today, or
And then yeah,
something like that.
Mom and Dad will make ice cream sundaes after dinner.
So that's my fortune teller. Thanks.